Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Appa today is going to use Berkshire's black pork belly to make a very simple dish. I've seen the YouTube video coming out very often recently, don't know why. Okay, so why do Appa, why is it Appa uses Berkshire's? Actually, Appa has been buying Berkshire's for usually few years already. Main reason is because they actually have both black pork and white pork. For their black pork, they actually rear it free range, just like free range chicken, right? So and then they when they rear it, they do not add in any antibiotics or any growth hormone. Okay, so this is actually very healthy pork. And you can actually see the beautiful marbling, right? If you can see very clearly from here, you can see the marbling is so beautiful and very even. All right, so this is, if you want to know more about the Berkshire's pork, you can actually go to their website. I will put the info in the video description, you can check it out. Okay, so we have the pork belly, and then I'm going to marinate it with some simple ingredient. This is Shaoxing wine, about 2 tablespoons, about 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, about 2 tablespoons of, this is a flavored mix from China. Okay, never mind the brand, but it is actually what they usually eat together with their steamboat, their hot pot. It's actually a combination between their chili flakes, Chinese chili flakes, and Sichuan peppercorn, some salt, and also some sesame, white sesame inside. Okay, it's a combination between few things. You can go and look for this from any Chinese mainland supermart, mini mart, or you can buy online. I will try to look for the online purchase for you and put it inside the description for you. Okay, so yeah, very simple. Cut it into thin slices, marinate it, then you either pan fry or you air fry.
Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Okay, I didn't use it all. This is approximately 2/3 of the size just now. I think total it is probably somewhere around 500 grams. Yeah, so this is probably about 300 grams here. So cut it into thin slices. Yeah, thin slices like this. When you want to cut this, actually, it will be easier if it is still half frozen, right? Then only it is easier to cut. Sorry, forgot the light. Okay, it is still, try to cut it when it is still half frozen. Okay, then we will put in some Shaoxing wine, some light soy sauce. This already has some salt inside, so I'm not adding too much salt. Okay, about maybe 1 tablespoon is enough. Let me mix everything up. It is not too spicy, yeah? This particular paste. I always use it to eat together with my hot pot. I'm eating hot pot almost every week right now, especially during the lockdown. Can put a bit more. Okay, make sure every portion is nicely marinated, coated. Okay. Then we can leave it for a couple of minutes. You will notice the Shaoxing wine has been nicely absorbed into the meat already. Okay, we just need to pan fry or air fry. If you air fry, use about 200 degrees and air fry for about 15 minutes. Okay, get a pan, give it some oil. Basically, this dish, the only challenge is how to cut the meat nicely. Like I mentioned earlier, make it half frozen, then only you cut. If it's too soft, you cannot cut. If it's too hard, you also cannot cut. Half frozen. Heat up this, then you can put it in. You can put in the meat. My wok is a little bit too hot. I'm going to add a little bit of oil to cool it down a bit later. You can use medium heat to slowly pan fry for a couple of minutes until it is fully cooked. This one you can actually eat it like with wrap it with a veggie, lettuce maybe. Don't use too high heat. You can slowly pan fry this. It's actually very fragrant, yeah, the powders. I can really smell it right now. People in China, they use this for barbecue as well. Okay, slowly pan fry this using medium to low heat for a couple of minutes. Okay, this is only about 4-5 minutes, maybe even lesser. Smaller one is already done. Beautifully charred. Of course, the shape of the meat after I cut it's not so even. But I assure you, if you wrap it with a lettuce, maybe eat it with a kimchi, that's going to be very good. Okay. Right. These are the second batch. Okay, the glistening grill pork is ready. I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.